Hello students of Standard Ninth. Welcome to DAV Mall Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Mishra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will continue with the same unit from your word and expression unit number 6. In this unit we will see today vocabulary and grammar. Dear students, let us make nouns from the given words. Already some are done for us. For example, happen, happening, know, knowledge, achieve, achievement. In the same way, try to finish the remaining ones. Now, take words from the box given below and match the words that go along with them. You may use some of the words more than once. For example, communal harmony, fine tune, waterproof. In the same way, try to match the words. Now, you would have come across some words from Indian languages used in the chapter My Childhood in your textbook Beehive. For example, pakka. Now look up the dictionary in English language and find 10 words which are of Indian origin. Chutney, karma, loot. In the same way, try to find some more words of Indian origin that are used in English. Now let us move towards grammar part. Fill in the blanks to complete the process of washing clothes in a machine. Use passive form of the verbs given in brackets. Already some are done for you. Dirty clothes are taken for washing. Clothes are separated on the basis of texture, color, etc. Now passive voice. Expand the news headlines into 3 to 4 sentences of a short article. Use passive voice wherever it is required. Example, Mumbai flooded with rainwater. Yesterday, Mumbai was hit by incessant rain. The city is flooded with rainwater now. Water is being pumped out from the roads. The residents are requested by the municipal corporation to remain indoors. In the same way, dear students, read the headlines and elaborate it. Phrasal verb. In the lesson My Childhood, in your textbook Beehive, the phrasal verb break out is used by combining a verb break with a preposition out denoting the meaning. To begin, many more phrasal verbs can be found with the same word break joining the other prepositions. They are break into, break away, break open, break down, and break up. Now replace the underlined words with the phrasal verb from the list given above using the correct form. Already, first one is done for you. The passengers were troubled when the bus stopped due to engine failure. So here we can use phrasal verb instead of stop due to engine failure, broke down. Dear student, now it is an editing part. Use capital letters, full stop, commas and inverted commas wherever necessary. In the following story, some words are also wrongly spelled. Check the spelling errors and correct them. Already, first line is done for you. Dear students, here we end our today's session. Have a nice day. Thank you.